Quick update on the Smitty-built bumper for XJs built from 97 and up, 97 to 2001. The guards on the side don't fit flush with the sheet metal, and the sheet metal is actually indented. You won't be able to see that, but basically there's a gap where these holes line up. Now the back is flush where it's supposed to be, so it's not like I've got it aligned wrong. If I take the spent rivet rod, there's that much distance behind that one. About the same behind that. Actually, not a ton of room behind that one. So on the bottom one, you can probably get away with the rivets that come with it. We'll see if we can do that. But on the top, you definitely cannot. So there's that much of a gap in the back. So what I did is bought this variety pack rivets off of Amazon. You can see even the longest rivet there is still almost a 1/4 inch too short. So I bought these bigger rivets, specific size. So what I'm gonna do is drill out the holes because they're meant for, I believe, an 1/8 inch rivet like these smaller ones to 3/16, which is what this drill bit is, and the width of the rivet there. And we'll see if these work for the application, and if they do, I'll put a link to them in the description. So if you have a 97 to 2001 XJ and you've bought Smitty-built XRC bumpers for your rear, you can put the side armor on and have it secure without getting a bunch of dirt and stuff in that gap. Well, the rivet worked, but the rivet broke where it was pulling from and not where it usually does at the rivet face. So I'll have to find some wire cutters. I did a good job at pulling these two pieces together, and it's definitely secure in the back. The rivets definitely are going to work out. See if we have better luck the second one. You can see it's just pulling these off right where it's gripping it, so that's where it's breaking. Again, we're gonna have to find some cutters and shear these off. It's definitely secure behind there. It's solid. I was able to chop those off. Now I'm going to take a file and grind those down. And there you go. That's how you fill that gap. There's a plastic piece here that goes over it. Now I thought that the rivets that come with it would work for the bottom hole, but it's not. There's like maybe a 16th between the metal there without a hole in the sheet metal. So with one, I don't think it's gonna reach. So it's a good thing I bought that assorted pack. I'm gonna get a slightly longer one and drill that one into there. Okay, as you can see, this is the 3/8 inch length rivet from the variety pack, and it's just that much longer. Put this one in here. It'll go through both pieces of metal when I drill a hole. The width of the rivet is 1/8 of an inch. It's the same as the stock one, so we don't have to drill out the stock hole larger. Now this panel's at a bit of an angle, so I'm going to try and match the angle. This is what the final product looks like. I filed these down and put the smaller one at the bottom, and now this thing is not going to go anywhere. It's super solid. I'm just going to hit that with some spray paint there, and it'll look good as new.